Hey everyone, are you planning to get into cybersecurity? Or if you're already in cybersecurity, you would like to know which domain is best for you, which domain basically best fit to your skill set, to your interest, right? Because there's a lot of things in cybersecurity. Literally, everyone is confused. What are things we need to do? So first, credit to Coco Cybersecurity for the context of this video, and this is how we are starting. And again, I repeat, I'm not going to tell you these are the best domain that we have in the cybersecurity you can opt for. I'm going to practically tell you what are the best thing we have in the cybersecurity you can do, and according to your interest, you can select your domain, right? So this is the first, the builders, right? The one who is building the things. So builders is basically when you are building let's say building, then you basically think of how do we design and build it securely, right? This is the first question. So for this, basically for this first role, the responsibility is first thing, we design secure system. Okay, this is the first thing that the builders do. Second thing, the builders in cybersecurity write safe code, which calls secure coding. Okay, and third thing that they do is they test software for the weak spot. Okay, these are the things that basically the builders do. And what are the job titles we have for the builders is basically first is secure architect, right? Sorry for the spelling, right? Second is uh, secure software developer, and third is DevSec ops engineer. So these are the title that we have for the people those who are interested in building the things, right? And those who should have coding knowledge. So this is the first thing. Second spot that we have, the operators. Basically what operators always think of is how do we keep system running, right? So that it should be always up and running. So the responsibility is you need to install updates that you usually do on your phone, right? But this is cybersecurity, it's different. Second thing is you fix the broken systems, the system which is not running, why it's not running. The work is to fix it. You manage user account and password, right? You manage the user account and password. This is what the operators do. The job title that we have for the operator is system administration. Okay, this is the first role. Second role is infrastructure security engineer, and third role that we have is network security admin, right? So this is what we have for the operators. Now the next role in cybersecurity we have is the defenders who defend the things, right? As the name means, they always think of, is someone attacking us right now? This is what they always think of. So the responsibility is always you need to watch the screens that you have for the security alerts, like SIMs we have in SOC, right? So you always look for your company screen someone is attacking or not. There is a specific screen on big companies which is called SOC center. So you always look for the same. Second is you need to block the hackers, right? If someone is attacking on your system, you need to block the hackers in real time, so that let's say if someone is entering into your home, right, at the entry point you should stop, or if someone enter in your first room, you need to stop there. This is what they do. Third is you need to hunt for hidden threat. Okay, so this is what they know. Job titles is for your SOC analyst, a very high paying job role. We have L1, L2, and L3, right? Second is incident responder, and third title that we have is threat hunter. So these are roles that, meanwhile, if you're looking for interns, you can check out both the URLs, right? Now the next role that we have in the cybersecurity is basically the detective, one of my favorite, right? So the responsibility for this is, but before responsibility, like what they think is how did this, who did this, how did they do it, and what did they take, right? How they do basically the detective part, right? So responsibility is they need to collect the evidence. Suppose if someone hacked a website, they need to collect evidence. For reporting legal crimes, they need to figure out hack how hackers hack the things, right? Third is they need to track down the criminals, right? They track the criminals. So there are things they do. Job title for this job role is digital forensics analyst. Okay, second is cybercrime investigator. This is what I do part time. Okay, and third is forensics examiner. Okay, this is what they do, right? Now the next role is that we have is the good attacker, right? We have good attackers as well, which is called ethical hackers. So they always have to think like attackers to find weakness, okay, to find vulnerability. Second is they need to simulate the real cyber attack. Okay, they always have to find out the vulnerability of real cyber attacks. Okay, they always have to create an environment. They have to test the thing. They have to play CTF and all those things. Third is like they need to report the security gaps before criminal is going to exploit. Like they need to find a vulnerability and they need to report ethically, legally, so that hackers can't do. The responsibility job title that we have for this role is pen tester. Okay, second role is red team operator. Third is ethical hacker. These are the job title that we have. Now the next domain is have the analyst, right? Who analyze all those things. So basically, when you are an analyst, you'll always think, what does this data tell us about the enemy, right? So you need to anticipate the future cyber crime. What are the cyber crime your company can get, or what are the crimes that can happen into the industry? You need to look for that. You need to study how hackers thinks, right? You need to turn raw data into useful report, right? This is what you need to do. Second is the job title that we have is threat intelligence analyst, right? Malware analyst. And third is cyber threat analyst. Okay, so there are things we have for the analyst, right? Now the next domain that we have is the risk manager. Okay, they are going to actually manage cyber risk very properly. They're going to ask you, you in the company, are you managing the cyber risk properly? For that, the responsibility, they need to write the security rules of the company. For example, if there is a company, there should be some sort of security rules that they need to follow. So they write security rules. They train staffs. Okay, they train staffs on safety, awareness, all those things. They ensure the law are being followed. They are like an insider lawyer of the company, right? Job title is again GRC analyst. Very fascinating domain right now. Second is cyber risk analyst, and third is security compliance analyst. Right. So these are the domain that we have right in the cybersecurity, and GRC is basically this domain is someone who don't want to get into much tech. Right. They want to some sort of management thing. They want to get to the text. Most of them not practical. So they are things that they do. So this is what we have, right? If you're looking for internship in SOC, just check out this URL. If you're looking for internship in training of internship web application program, check out this one. And which path you select, which path fits you the best. So that's what we have for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind. You can follow VIH group for more update. Jai.